As the biggest gland in the body, the liver does many vital jobs to keep you alive and at peak health. Most notable among those 500 jobs are storing vitamins and iron, converting stored sugar to usable sugar when the body's sugar levels fall below normal, destroying old red blood cells, and producing bile to break down and digest fats. The liver requires large amounts of micronutrients like vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants to be able to perform its processes, and many of those micronutrients can be found in common foods. Incorporating a selection of superfoods to your diet, you can naturally cleanse and protect this hardworking organ. Hello and welcome to the Healthy Dad YouTube channel. In today's video, we will discuss 14 superfoods which can help detoxifying your liver. So, let's get started. Number 1. Tea. Tea is widely considered to be beneficial for health, but evidence has shown that it may have benefits for the liver. A study based in Japan found that drinking 5 to 10 cups of green tea a day was associated with improved blood markers of liver health. This may be down to a compound known to assist liver function named catechin. Green tea is packed full of this plant antioxidant. Just be mindful of green tea extract as it can have a negative effect. Number 2. Cruciferous vegetables. This includes, but is not limited to, broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, cabbage, and kale. These vegetables are a major source of glutathione, which triggers the toxin-cleansing enzymes of the liver. Eating cruciferous vegetables will increase production of glucosinolate in your system, which helps flush out carcinogens and other toxins. Number 3. Turmeric. In addition to its use as a spice and pigment, turmeric has been used in India for medicinal purposes for centuries. Curcumin is the active ingredient in turmeric, and it has powerful biological properties. This spice helps the enzymes that flush out toxins and contains antioxidants that repair liver cells. It also assists the liver in detoxing metals, while boosting bile production. Number 4. Citrus. While also providing a big hit of vitamin C, citrus stimulate the liver and aid the synthesizing of toxic materials into substances that can be absorbed by water. Grapefruit is particularly beneficial as it contains two primary antioxidants, naringin and naringin. These may help protect the liver from injury by reducing inflammation and protecting the liver cells. Number 5. Beetroot. Beets also contain vitamin C and a healthy dose of fiber, which are both natural cleansers for the digestive system. But more impressively, beets assist with increasing oxygen by cleansing the blood, and can break down toxic wastes to help them be excreted quicker. They stimulate bile flow and boost enzymatic activity. Number 6. Garlic. Garlic is loaded with sulfur, which activates liver enzymes that help your body flush out toxins. Garlic also holds high amounts of selenium. Selenium is an essential micronutrient that has been shown to help boost the natural antioxidant enzyme levels in our livers. Supplementing with selenium gives our livers even more ammunition in the fight against the damage caused by oxidative stress. Plus, want to know more? Read our article about supporting your liver with the stresses of a modern lifestyle. Number 7. Nuts. Nuts are a good source of glutathione, omega-3 fatty acids, and the amino acid arginine, which supports normal liver cleansing actions, especially when detoxifying ammonia. Number 8. Olive oil. Although it is a fat, olive oil is considered a healthy fat. Cold-pressed organic oils such as olive, hemp, and flaxseed offer great support for the liver, providing the body with a liquid base that can suck up harmful toxins in the body. It has also been shown to decrease the levels of fat in the liver. Number 9. Grapefruit. Grapefruit contains antioxidants that naturally protect the liver. The two main antioxidants found in grapefruit are naringin and naringin. The protective effects of grapefruit are known to occur in two ways: by reducing inflammation and protecting cells. Studies have also shown that these antioxidants can help reduce the development of hepatic fibrosis, a harmful condition in which excessive connective tissue builds up in the liver. This typically results from chronic inflammation. Number 10. Fatty fish. If you are someone who loves seafood, ensure that you add fresh tuna, anchovies, sardines, and mackerel in your diet. These fatty fish is rich in omega-3 fatty acids that reduce inflammation in our body. Research says that they prevent the buildup of excess fats and maintain enzymes levels in the liver. Number 11. Leafy greens. Green leafy vegetables are high in chlorophyll and soak up a lot of toxins from the bloodstream. They're packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber, and do not add too much to your calorie count, making them the go-to food. A diet rich in leafy greens reduces the risk of obesity, heart disease, and high blood pressure. Number 12. Whole grains. As complex carbohydrates, whole grains contain essential nutrients like zinc, B vitamins, and fiber, which are associated with a healthy liver. In one clinical study of 12 patients over 12 weeks, researchers found that consumption of whole grains were associated with healthy liver fat and liver enzymes. Some whole grain staples to incorporate into your diet, if you haven't already, include brown rice, whole oats, and whole wheat bread and pasta. Number 13. Berries. You can be very liver healthy with the proper nutrition as support, but you can also be very healthy and do some good for your liver in the process. Berries are high in flavonoids, which have been shown to promote healthy liver function and detoxification. In a 2021 study of about 2,700 adults, a positive correlation was found between high flavonoid intake and a healthy liver. Number 14. Carrots. Like beets, carrots are liver detox foods rich in antioxidants like beta-carotene that mop up many toxins and prevent damage to liver cells. Liver damage is a serious medical issue due to the type of work the organ does. When the cells no longer function well, it increases your risk of certain diseases. For example, it may lead to liver cirrhosis or scarring of the liver. In time, it can progress to liver cancer. So guys, that was all about today's topic. Don't forget to share and subscribe my channel. See you soon in the next